Okay, so here's how it goes. A person gets food poisoning. In this case, it would be bacterial food poisoning. So that means it's caused by bacteria like Campylobacter jejuni or E. coli or Vibrio cholera, Shigella, Salmonella. These are pathogenic bacteria. These are not bacteria that normally live in us, like lactobacilli, okay? All of these bacteria secrete the same toxin, and that toxin is called CDTB for short, CDTB. That toxin looks very similar to the protein vinculin that sits on the ICC cells. So there's, I didn't show you that in this picture, but just, I don't know, imagine that somewhere along here within this cell is vinculin protein. All right, so when something looks like something else, something bad like a toxin, looks like something good like our own, some part of our own nerve cell, something that can happen is molecular mimicry, or another way to say it is friendly fire. Basically, the immune system just gets a little confused because they look so similar, and when it goes out to attack the toxin, it attacks our nerve cell too. And so that's autoimmunity. And in this way, our own immune system can then damage the nerve cells in the small intestine, the ICC nerve cells, and then they're reduced in number. And then we get a decreased number of migrating motor complex waves, and that's stasis or stagnation, and then that allows us to get SIBO. Now, in this case, SIBO is also called post-infectious IBS. And that's what the PI-IBS stands for. So post-infectious IBS is SIBO from food poisoning. That's what that is. And now this is a situation, SIBO, that responds to antibiotics because it's a bacterial overgrowth, and we can see a positive SIBO breath test. And we can also see a positive IBS blood test.